Oh, here we are. It's going to be too windy. You're not going to be able to hear me. So this is going to be a voiceover video. But look at that beautiful sunset behind. Brilliant sunsets here normally. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, right. Might be time for a stiff one, I think. Vodka drink, maybe. I have done an hour's worth of driving. Have a quick look at that channel back over there. There's Ziggy in the window. I tried to take him for a walk, it's so windy he wouldn't come out. Here he is. Hey Ziggy. He's a good boy. So we're just going onto the beach at South Gare. We're halfway down the steps and you can see this beautiful difference in views. So just up there is your street level and you get all the motorhomes parked up there. Come down here, it's lovely and sheltered from the wind. Ooh. Hey. Oh yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it? And now we're just walking through this little sandy path. Now if this was Cornwall, the beach would be flooded. But this seems to be a popular location for dog walkers and kite surfers. And even saw a sand surfer yesterday, but I didn't have the camera on me. Whew. Smell of seaweed, gently rotting. But what a beautiful day, guys. Must be, I don't know, must be 20 something degrees. So I'm in a t-shirt on the edge of the North Sea, where usually there's a cold breeze, cold wind, and I feel like a t-shirt's enough today. And then just after a couple of 100 metres walk onto the beach, you get met with this lovely view. How's it going, Kaz? Is it working alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
We shall see.
Looks very handy, looks very
Very gimbally.
very gimbally, doesn't it? Looks very professional.
Ooh.
What you got there?
Razor's car.
Oh, cool. Oh, wow. It's like being somewhere very expensive and touristy without the tourists. This could be a private beach in the Maldives, couldn't it?
Yeah, no.
I mean, that steelworks, it looks like an art installation for boutique visitors. Doesn't look like an old broken down steelworks, looks beautiful. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I've taken my shoes and socks off and ah, my god, that's freezing cold. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, bloody hell, that was bracing. Ah, so cold. I'm not sure what I expected the North Sea to be other than cold, but just doing a bit of grounding, I think they call it. Get my shoes and socks off in the sea. Oh, it's like being 10 again and growing up in Cornwall, which I did for a while. But this is certainly a brilliant spot. I mean, where else can you get this, eh? Where else? Yeah. I think in every video I say it, people ask me, Moosey, why did you move to the north? Because it's brilliant, that's why. Because it's brilliant. And to be able to do this on a Monday is awesome. So yeah, sad news about the Queen. Thank you very much for the bank holiday though. Oh, what's Catter's up to? Oh, we got a doggy. Hello, doggy. How you gimbling?
Oh, I'm gimbal dandy.
Are you gimbal dandy?
I am gimbal dandy.
Hello, little man. You all right? Oh, I'm grounding.
Oh, you know.
I left my trainers and socks back there, but they'll be safe. Although he's going to nick them.
Yeah, but I've seen you trying to find your car in a bloody car park
Yeah.
before, you know. Find your shoes on the beach, come on.
Yeah. It's I'm grounding anyway. It's meant to be good for you. Just getting your feet out and touching nature. Lovely. And wherever possible, guys, don't forget to support your local mental health charities. There's a gentleman down there with a beautiful dog called Lou, or Blue, and the dog is a therapy dog and has just been on a 3-week shift, and today is her first day off, and she's playing in the sea with Daddy and a nice blue ball.